Today the whole day has been very profound and immense. Explaining is in words is very difficult, but I will share some of the experience. Especially, there have been profound experience throughout the day, almost inexpressible. You can't express those feelings. While when we were watching the 2 minutes of Agastya Muni, and when you asked us to visualize in the third eye, there was a total blast or a blackout. If you have
Mm,
not told me to open my eyes, I don't know what will have happened. Because absolutely, I thought I will faint. But
mm.
a profound experience. And while sleeping, when you asked the energies to move, I actually was
Yeah,
swerving like a snake on the ground.
yes.
Wanted to scream, but I avoided it for the benefit of the people.
We will do
And I
all that
read,
in our ashram if it happens soon.
yeah,
Inviting you, and you can stay over.
because I want to scream and too many things are happening, but because of the outside environment,
I know, Neil, I know.
and I understand what is offered over here is priceless and nothing can be actually put into words. What is expressed is beyond because we have not done any preparations for this. It's been offered on like a what we say spoon feeding for us. We understand how sadhakas have to go through so many things to get this, and here because of whatever reason we have been offered it in the comfort of a home, and I cannot express the gratitude in words. Thank you, Guruji, and thank you all the members who have made
Guruji,
it possible for us.
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm so happy, and I don't have words to express. I saw Agatya near
Mm,
my side,
mm,
and I was thinking whether it's my imagination or the real one, but I saw Guruji, and I felt so happy. And he said that I forgot why I came here, and I didn't practice. It seems, and he said me to practice it well so that you will reach Shiva. So do it properly, he said, and he blessed me. And second time, Guruji, like when I was lying on the bed, when you were like when I you were chanting all the things, Guruji, I saw something went out from my body. I don't know what is that.
mm.
I couldn't see it clearly, but something went off that, and I suddenly started smiling, and I felt very light in my body. I'm so happy. And third, when like final the thing when we say like prema, literally I am myself blooming all over. I'm so happy, Guruji. I'm feeling so blessed and gratitude. And I think gratitude and thanks are very small words, but I don't know what to say more about it. Uh,
Your eyes are expressing it all. Mm.
yeah. Guruji, is it true, Guruji? Is it really I saw?
Yes, yes, yes.
Guruji, thank you so much. I like from the morning I'm literally crying, Guruji, literally crying all over the time. I'm crying, but uh, I don't know how to express it. I'm really happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
गुरुजी,
Mm,
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो मैं अनुभव किया लास्ट में जो हम प्रेमा का दिए, इससे पहले तो मैंने पहले में जो था तो वो सब आ रहा था, मैंने एनर्जी फ्लो वो सारी चीजें। लास्ट में जो हम प्रेमा वाला आया तो एक इंटेंस मैंने एक रोने का भावना आया।
mm, mm,
बाद जो जैसे आप लेटे थे आंख बंद करके,
mm,
तो हमको फीलिंग हुआ कि मैंने हम ये एक रूम में है, हमारा नीना दूसरा रूम में है, तो हमको फीलिंग हुआ कि मेरा पास में कोई वॉक कर रहा है।
mm,
और थोड़ा मैं डीप जा रहा था तो हमको थोड़ा हिलाया लगा, कोई हिलाया हमको।
mm,
उसके बाद आप जैसे बैठ के बोले कि हाथ ये करके आपका आशीर्वाद देना, ये करना, मैं अचानक मैं अपना अंगूठी को मैंने थोड़ा सूंघा ऐसा,
mm,
उसमें एक बढ़िया खुशबू आ रहा था हाथ से।
yes, yes.
और अभी नहीं आ रहा, उस टाइम नहीं था।
आके आपको आशीर्वाद देके चलेगी, ठीक है?
यही इतना ही।
Mm,
थैंक
पिता की कृपा होगी और परमात्मा की कृपा होगी, इसलिए आज मेरे बर्थडे के दिन मुझको सौभाग्य मिला है करने का। मेरी बॉडी पूरी शिवर कर रही थी जब मैं लेटा हुआ था, बॉडी शिवर कर रही थी। और जब अगस्त्य मुनि जी का जब ये था तो मुझे उन्होंने मेरा हाथ होल्ड कर लिया था।
mm, mm,
वो टाइम पे मेरा हाथ होल्ड किया, जैसे मुझे लगा था मेरा हाथ होल्ड किया था और मुझे बता रहे कि मैं आई एम विथ यू करके, आगे के जर्नी में मैं आई एम विथ यू करके। मैं जब लेटा हुआ था तभी मुझको मैं ही दिख रहा था कि मैं लेटा हूँ और मेरी बॉडी शिवर कर रही है। ऐसा क्यों हुआ पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं खुद को दिख रहा था।
यस
कि मेरी बॉडी शिवर कर रही है करके। और बहुत ही अच्छा ये लगा कि मतलब ये तो डिवाइन एक्सपीरियंस है कि मेरे 45 बर्थडे के दिन ऐसा बर्थडे मैं कभी मना भी नहीं सकता था। थैंक्स।
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।